Hello guys, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about error handling in Swift. So today I am going to discuss about error handling in Swift. So what is error handling? Error handling is a Error handling is the process of responding and recovering. Error handling is the process of responding and recovering from error condition in your program. From error condition in your program. Swift provide first class support for throwing, catching, propagating, and manipulating recoverable error at runtime in Swift. So let us consider on this example. We can better solution of this example create. So we can create example error handling. We can create error. If you want to create error, then you would be confirm error protocol. Suppose we can create error enum, we can use of enumeration enum. Suppose it's bullet train error, which is which is confirm of this error protocol. Error protocol is Apple defined on this error protocol. We can use the confirm. If you want to create error, then you would be confirm error protocol in Swift. So we can create error. First case is case insufficient light voltage. Suppose insufficient light voltage error. Light voltage. Suppose we have error insufficient light voltage, and we can create error. Create error. So we can use of our structure. We can create a structure. Structure. Suppose bullet train structure name, which have a name of structure is bullet train, and we're gonna create a function inside of this structure. We can create a function start picnic. Suppose which have a function name is start picnic. Start picnic, which have no which start picnic, and which have take the parameter light voltage, which is type of the integer, and but written is value is but not written. And no, but sorry, and we can use of written statement is string return, and we can use of the function. So we can use of if statement. If statement condition check on this error protocol. Our create on this error. So if our error is light voltage parameter less than, suppose which have a 1000 light voltage, if less than 1000. So in this function so if you want to throw error, then implement throw keyword before return statement. So before return statement is implement keyword is throw. Before implement throw statement. So this function is throw use of throw keyword, and throw bullet train is a function name. And is a if condition we can use it through this error. So bullet train error dot access on this insufficient voltage this is thrown this error in this function. This error is optional expected. Okay, you can create error of optional. sorry, error on this optional throw, and we can leave string, and sorry, we can use on this insufficient light voltage. Dot light voltage, sorry, throw and light voltage, sorry, insufficient light voltage. Expert throwing specified. Did you mean throws? Optional. Optional throw statement is optional, so we can use the optional statement. Okay, we can use of separator throws statement. We cannot implicit method. Then use of throw statement. Throw statement. Error is not handled because the enclosing function is not declare throws. It's not declare throws. So we can check on this another video, and so we can use of error. So we can consider on this error handling. Error handling is the process of responding and receiving from error condition in your program. Condition in your program. Condition in your program, and we can consider, suppose which have Swift provide first class support. Swift provide first class support. So Swift provide first class support. Swift provide first class support is of written on this string, and Swift provide first class support. So provide on this first class support. And on this error handling and topic of error handling. So we can use of throws keyword, implement on the throws, and you can use of throws keyword. Expected argument on this, sorry. Okay, we can use of throws statement, and we can use throw. So, and use of consider example throws. So written is let's go the picnic begin. Our otherwise condition is false. So we can use the throws error, and otherwise condition is true. So we can use of written statements you, and it let go the picnic begin. Picnic begin. We can use of function, right? The picnic begin. So we can use of create an instance, and we can check on this function let obj bullet train. Our text is obj bullet train is equal to bullet train. Our text is bullet train, create an instance bullet train, and we can check on this do catch, and you can use of catch statement, catch block. catch block. If you want to handle this error, so we can apply on this do and catch block. So do catch block is try expression is try on this case, otherwise error and otherwise not error. This is a try case. So we can use of try statement. So try object, our object is object bullet train dot start picnic function, and we can assign of the light voltage. Light voltage is integer type, suppose which have a 3, and this catch is our catch statement is error, catch is error. So we can use the print statement, print occurred error. So we can run on this statement. So we can print on this occur error. We can 3 is less than of this voltage, 1000 voltage is less than is 3. So we can print of the occurred of the voltage. Occurred error, and we can check this occur error. So we can apply on this occur error. So we can condition is 1000 is less than light voltage is 3. So we can use the occur error, and we can check on this light voltage is 3000. So we can is true condition. Let's go the picnic begin. We can check on this. Let's go picnic begin. We can use the print statement. Let's go picnic begin. So we can assign on this. Suppose error on this message. Error message needed light voltage. Needed light voltage, which is type of integer. Needed light voltage, which is type of integer, and throw statement insufficient voltage dot insufficient voltage. Needed, suppose it's needed light voltage which have 1000, and we can check on this round 1000 is assigned on this needed voltage. So we can get the blood train state. So light voltage insufficient dot light voltage start picnic, and we can calling on the start picnic dot start picnic. So light voltage suppose which have, so light throw statement, we can use of throw statement, and light voltage suppose which have light voltage time start picnic, suppose which have light voltage 100, and we can use of catch statement block. So catch statement block we can assign this statement bullet train. So error is क्या, error is bullet train error dot insufficient voltage and type of integer, suppose which have is 1000 is need, voltage need is 1000 greater 1000 needed, and occurred error on this print on this error. Occurred error insufficient light voltage, and we can assign on this string interpolation need. So we can use of light voltage, suppose which is light voltage, which have parameter of need light voltage, and let on this error, button error, and you can use of let need light voltage. We can catch on this error need light voltage, and we can use of print of light voltage, need light voltage, and we can use of try do and catch statement. So this is a catch blocked. So catch blocked on a sign on this statement, catch block. Sorry, we can assign on this catch block. Command subject and not allowed on the try command X, and this is the catch blocked. Let need light voltage, this is the need light string interpolation, and we can change on this. And catch block, you can assign on this catch block. In case insufficient, okay, we can use of okay. Sorry, let voltage need light voltage must not be found every pattern. So need light voltage must not error in this, cannot found on this. We can check on this error. Suppose which have error on this, need light voltage, and this check on this error. So quantity error, and we can check on this let insufficient. Okay, light quantity not assign on this need is change on this event. We can run on this statement, we can check on this error. So okay, error occurred, error insufficient light voltage is 100, need voltage is equal to comparison equal. We can run on this statement. Occurred error insufficient light voltage is 1000, our insufficient voltage is 100. Suppose 1000. So this is a print on this not error. This is a function is room. So to let go print begin picnic, we can use a print statement, and we can assign this error. So we can run on this statement. Cannot convert the string type. Okay, suppose, and we can use a print statement. Oh, we can run on this statement. Let go the picnic begin. So let's go the picnic begin. We can run it, and suppose which have a is 10 so this which have is 10, so which have is not allowed is error. We can occurred error insufficient light voltage equal to 100, light voltage equal to 1000 equal to 100. So then compare on this error. So thank you for watching this video.